Hey guys, so I keep getting this error on my PlayStation console. I just watch Netflix, and not really much of a gamer anymore. But CE-3000 or 30002-5, this code is to do with not being able to upload the system software, whatever firmware update that is. And so what we have to do is either update it via the internet or get a USB drive and update it, or rebuild the database. And we're gonna see what we can do. So I go to sign into the PlayStation Network, which obviously I'm not signed in, and it goes into update now, and then it goes to view details. I go down to the bottom here, I go next, and then it goes to that error code. So I can't sign in right now, so I have to go and get the USB, or get a USB key, put it on, and then update it, like force an update. Just to prove that I am signed into the internet, it's right here. Not the best speed, but it's good enough. Let's see what the details give us. And update system software to use network features. Okay. One of the options was to check to see what's happening on the PlayStation Network status, and everything is in the green. So we just went through to delete all the update notifications for the PS4. I want to shut this down. I'll hold the power button for 2 seconds and 7 seconds, then boot into safe mode. My controller is connected via the USB cable, and then we're going to force a what do you call it? We're going to force update. See if this solves my problem. The PS4 is now off. PS4 is now on. 2 beeps. There's 1 beep. I have DualShock over and press the PS button. Oops, damn it. I held it too long. First beep. Wait a couple seconds, then it'll be a second beep, and it'll be safe mode. There it is. So I'm gonna boot up in safe mode. The PS4 controller is connected to the USB cable. PS root button is, and then update system software using the internet. Next. Alrighty, so our problem has been solved. We're able to download everything, update it all. So we hit the X button to update. System software update. Alright, and once it's done, our problem will be solved. Ta-da! We're fully updated. Let's look for the restart. Just powered down. Is it gonna power back? Probably doesn't have to. There we go. She's powered back up. Here we go. And what do we got here? Come on. I want to watch Netflix. Oh. Checking system status. After the check has completed, the PS4 automatically restart. Okay, so this is the second check, whatever. PS4 is about to restart. I'm gonna set the. Ooh, we got the PS4 side. And what do we got? Come on. Come on. There we go. Alrighty. And we are in. Brilliant. And I got some messages, so I'm signed in. That's sweet. Good to go, guys. Thanks for watching. Time for some Netflix.